Hello, my name is Evan, and I want to talk about why data teams seem to face so many problems when it comes to working smoothly together. When people talk about working with data, you might imagine data teams jumping into action like an F1 pit crew, pulling data together to make things happen. But that's not the case. In reality, running a data team often feels more like a tug of war than an F1 pit crew. In most companies, this struggle occurs between three groups of people: data analysts, data engineers, and business teams that want data for their operations and decision making, like management teams, customer success, marketing, sales, and so on. In an ideal world, all three groups would be on the same page working towards the same goals, but in reality, they often operate as if they are entirely separate teams. This might be something you've experienced yourself. Business teams want data now to solve customers' problems, but the data analyst is overloaded with data requests. The data analyst wants help from the data engineers to load data into a data warehouse for analytics, but the data engineer is frustrated that the data analyst does not understand what it takes to put business ideas into production. This happens because these teams often operate in silos. Their areas of focus just don't overlap enough with the problems that the other teams face. Interestingly, this is a problem that software companies used to face too. Before 2007, software developers and IT operations teams used to clash all the time, as their teams were structured in very different ways to focus on different objectives. But people in the two communities realized that it did not make sense for them to function so separately. They developed an approach called DevOps to build a better process for faster feature releases, continuous testing of smaller code blocks for automated deployment, and bringing these two teams together on the same page to focus on the same goals and problems. We're going to explore this idea in more videos on how DevOps approaches can be applied to building better data teams. Hit subscribe to get updated when our next videos come out, and let us know what you think. Catch you soon!